Ben, why are you bringing me all those alarm clocks? I am stressed already.
You said you needed more energy. I wanted to help.
More alarms will not make me faster. They will only make me more nervous.
Then let us stop for a moment. 3 simple phrases can help.
My phone keeps buzzing, my laptop is open, and everything feels urgent.
You do not need to explain everything at once. First, say clearly how you feel.
What if I really need a break?
Say that directly and politely.
And what can I say when I cannot have a long conversation now?
Suggest a later time. That gives you space without sounding rude.
So, name the feeling, ask for a break, and talk later?
Exactly. Those are our 3 phrases.
I am feeling stressed right now.
Phrase 1. I am feeling stressed right now.
I am feeling stressed right now.
Right now means at this moment.
This tells the other person honestly how I feel.
Yes, it is short, and it gives useful context.
I do not have to explain every problem immediately.
Right. Start by naming the feeling.
I need a short break.
Phrase 2. I need a short break.
I need a short break.
Got it. Should I start the stopwatch and blow this whistle?
No, that sounds like a sports break. It makes everything more stressful.
Good point. A quiet break does not need a whistle or all those alarms.
I will put my phone down and breathe for a moment.
Good. The phrase clearly says what you need.
And short sounds practical, but the break still matters. Can we talk about this later?
Phrase 3. Can we talk about this later?
Can we talk about this later?
Yes. We can choose a calmer time.
I am not simply saying no. I am moving the conversation.
Exactly. You create a clear boundary and stay respectful.
I will silence my phone and close the laptop now.
And I will carry away the clocks and the whistle.
Perfect. A cup of tea is much more helpful.
Quick practice. Answer before Anna. How do you say honestly how you feel?
I am feeling stressed right now.
How do you ask clearly for some quiet time?
I need a short break.
How do you move the conversation politely?
Can we talk about this later?
Excellent. 3 clear phrases for stressful moments.